Riders must be at least 36 inches tall to ride with a supervising companion, or 38 inches to ride alone. Small children obviously being forced to ride against their will, for example, a child struggling to get away from a parent while in the seat. Please secure all loose items such as hats, glasses, cameras, and leave all personal items with non-riders.